So I just woke up today. I'm gonna go check on my elf. So let's go see what they're doing. Okay. What am I, sister? What are you doing? Oh God. She thinks. She thinks she's Abraham Lincoln.
Abraham Lincoln.
See.
You don't know who I am,
Last night we watched The Elf. You know, it was a good movie. And here downstairs. No way. Look what they did. Here, I'm gonna get a closer view. Okay. So the girl is over here.
You guys brush your teeth?
That's the girl.
Rhea?
That's the boy elf. There's the blinding. Yeah.
Did you brush your teeth?
Yes.
What are you talking to?
I'm making a video.
Oh. You like your Christmas shirt?
Yes.
What's your video about?
About what the elves are doing?
A day in the life of Rhea?
No. I'm showing them what the elf did.
Oh.